use the whisk. Stir to dissolve the sugar.
Ooh, I can smell it already.
Oh, okay.
I'm improvising like that.
Alright, good. Ryan, you're right.
You didn't put that in the instructions.
Kelvin, how are you doing?
Okay, slowly but steady.
Slowly, yeah, alright. Very efficient. 2 hands all working.
Did yours
It
turn
becomes
into
caramel. Yes, no. Yeah, you're almost there. You're almost there.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kelvin, okay. What color is it now?
Can we see?
Yes, yes,
Good to
yes,
see,
yeah. This is good, yes. Rhonda, you're good.
You show.
Yeah, I think this is quite there already. I think it's a nice color. It's a nice color behind it. You're good, yes.
Ready?
That's enough. That's ready, yeah.
Yay!
This was really fun. I really liked it, and for me it was completely different than like YouTube videos, because YouTube food videos I don't usually watch, like Ryan said, when I'm cooking. You know, you kind of watch them for fun.
So I think the advantage is that we can chat back with you, like the caramel. Is it right? Is it wrong? The kind of thing, you can take a look at it. You can check the consistency for us. Because otherwise, I think if I'm watching a YouTube, I would have burned the whole batch without.
I think down here, because we can talk, I think that's very useful. Yeah. To check in with the teacher. I think that's the value of this, yeah.
No, I love it. Really fun. And I don't really watch cooking videos. I tend to follow instructions, and the whole point of this for me is the experience of being with other people and doing something fun online. Yes, while we're in lockdown, but also anytime. It's just fun to get online and meet other people.
Thank you. You were very good.